Good morning students. In this video discuss about kinetic theory of the gases. This is a class 11 intermediate first year chapter. So especially focus on this video kinetic theory of ideal gas. You calculate pressure of ideal gases equation and the relation between their kinetic energy of the ideal gases. So the first one I am taking the assumption of the ideal gases. So let us take, so this is a one gas container. So this is a one container. The container is having some ideal gases. This is a gases, right? So the first point, first assumption, every gas, let us take inside some gas is there. So every gas is consist of is consist of very small particles, every gas is consist of very small particle. These particles is called as molecules. First point. So I am taking one container, the container is having the gas. So this is a very smallest particle. This particles is called molecule. Second point. So the gas to gas, their molecule will be changes. Molecule will be different. Molecule will be different. And third point. So these molecules of a gas identical, means you identify the gas molecule, and spherical, it is a spherical shape, identical, spherical, and rigid means strongly, and perfectly elastic in nature. Perfectly elastic means if the colliding the walls, the energy is not lost. So this is a condition of the molecules. The molecules of gas is identical, spherical, rigid, and perfectly elastic point masses. Elastic collision or elastic point masses. Next one, what is the size? Their size of these molecules is neglected. The size of molecules is neglected. What is the reason? Their comparison between intermolecular distance, interatomic or intermolecular distance. So due to interatomic or intermolecular distances, their size is very small, 10 power minus 9 meter. What is the size? 10 power minus 9 meter. So the size of this molecule inside of the gas will be neglected. And fifth one, their volume also neglect. The volume of gas will be neglected. So neglected, the volume of the molecules is negligible compared to volume of the gas. Compared to volume of the gas, only 0.014 percentage of volume of gas at STP. And so inside, what is the direction of the gases? This molecule, the molecules are keep moving in a random direction. It is random direction. It is a moving not particular direction. It is a random, maybe x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, corner, any one. So these all molecules is moving the random direction with the speeds. What is the speeds? Minimum 0 to maximum infinity. 0 to infinity is maintained. And these gas molecules colliding to each other, collides means accident. Okay, colliding to each other and colliding with a walls. This is a wall of the container. Okay, so these two molecules, that means these molecules is moving randomly free. Let us take, this is a one container. Here this is one molecule, 1 2 3 4 four molecule, it is moving the different direction. What happened? Colliding to each other and colliding with the walls, so these collisions, when the collision with the walls is a perfectly elastic in nature, so when these molecules is colliding wall, their energy is not lost, suppose here this is the energy E1 is a colliding with a wall, it is a return come back the same energy E1. And next point, ninth one, there is no attraction or repulsion forces acting between the molecules, there is no attraction and repulsive forces between the molecules. And here the number of molecules, next 10th one, the number of collisions per unit volume is constant. So next 13 point, so let us take this one molecule, this is a wall. So when the particle or molecule mass m, it is moving in the different directions. Suppose this molecule's mass m with moving with velocity v is colliding in a wall, what happened at this wall? Pressure is exerted. So here when the pressure is exerted on this wall, so here you can calculate how much pressure is exerted. This is my concept. When these molecules is colliding with a wall, how much pressure is exerted inside of the gas molecules. So you calculate pressure of an ideal gas. So here what is the pressure? The pressure exerted by a gas in the change in momentum transferred normal to the walls of the vessel per second per unit area due to collision of the molecules of the gas. This is a definition of the pressure. So here for this purpose I am taking one cubical container, cube. So let us take, this is a one cubical container, right? So this is a cubical container. I am taking the cubical container. So what is the volume of this container? Volume of the container V. So this is a origin O. So these cube sides I am taking, one is x-axis, another is y-axis, another is z-axis. What is the sides? X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So here I am taking one molecule. So let us take, this is the one molecules. Okay, so this molecule of mass m is moving with x direction with velocity vx, So when here the first point, so the particle mass m or molecule mass m moving with velocity vx is incident on a wall, in YZ plane, inside YZ plane, like this. What is the momentum? Their initial momentum P1 is equal to m into Vx. So where this particle is having some momentum is incident on this wall due to elastic collision, so it is a return comeback with another velocity minus m into Vx. So what is the direction? The direction will be changes minus Vx. So after elastic collision reflect come back, their final velocity P2 is equal to minus m into Vx. And what is the change in velocity? That is change in momentum. I am taking change in momentum. Delta P is equal to P2 minus P1. So that is delta P is equal to minus m into Vx minus mvx. So delta P is equal to minus 2 mvx. So this is a change in momentum. Delta P is equal to minus 2 mvx. So when this molecule hit the walls, the same force, according to Newton third law, the same force is acting by the wall. So now by the wall exerted pressure exerted pressure or change in momentum is equal. So that is delta P I am taking 2 mvx. Okay, so by the wall, so when this molecule is incident on this wall, it is exerted, change in momentum is equally delta P is equal to 2 mvx. And next point, so this particle mass m moving with velocity vx is incident on this wall, the force is acting. Okay, the force is acting. What is our concept? So due to change in momentum, pressure is acting. Pressure is equal to force per unit time. So what is our concept? You can calculate pressure, but this particle mass m moving with velocity, it is having some momentum. So this momentum, the change in momentum per unit time, it's give the pressure. So therefore due to change in momentum, the force is acting. You calculate this force. Here. Force F is equal to, I am taking the formula Q by delta T. So you can calculate Q force. Here this is a particle mass m. Okay, so moving with velocity Vx. How much distance covered? That is Vx into delta T. How much distance is covered? Vx. And all molecules within the volume, all molecules within the volume. Here I am taking, what is the equation? A into Vx delta T, because what is the area? The area of the wall is equal to A. So within the volume, how many molecules is moving? A into Vx delta T. And here, suppose I am taking the number of molecules n number of molecules. So these molecules is incident or colliding. Suppose I am assuming that half of the molecules is moving forward direction and the half of the molecules is moving in the reverse direction. Okay, so the number of molecules, okay, the number of molecules, the number of molecules with velocity hitting the wall, in time delta T is equal to 1 by 2 A into Vx delta T. 1 by 2 A into Vx delta t. So where I am taking, we can consider total number of molecules, number of molecule per unit volume n. So that is 1 by 2 A n Vx delta t, where n is equal to number of, so number of molecules per unit volume. Here, the total momentum transferred to the wall by the molecule in the time delta t. So Q is equal to 2mvx into 1 by 2 n a vx delta t. The total momentum transferred to by the wall in the time delta to q is equal to 2mvx into 1 by 2 n into here 2 cancel. And what is the force formula? How much force on, this is the force on the wall. The force on the wall is equal to rate of momentum transfer. Formula ఏంటిది? Rate of momentum transferred or dq by dt, delta q by dt. So that is F is equal to q by delta t. So this is a q, this delta t is going to here. So F is equal to, let us take, I will write directly n into m vx into vx, vx square. Okay, so f q by delta t is equal to pressure, is equal to pressure P. So let us take, I will directly write P is equal to q by delta t, that is, so this is m n vx into vx a. Okay, so I am taking per unit volume, so that is P is equal to n m vx square, nm vx square. So this is vx square is equal to velocity along, velocity only in the x direction, only in the x direction. Suppose let us take all directions, all directions. So this first particle is moving the different random directions, the random direction. So what is the, I can taking here taking v bar square, v bar square or vx bar square means vx square, vx2 square, vx3 square, like this by n. Okay, the square of the velocity of the individual particle is equal to vx square. So this is the RMS velocity. Okay, RMS velocity. So therefore P, so the particle is moving, only x particle is moving the random direction. So P is equal to, what is the formula? N m v x square whole bar. Okay, P is equal to nm vx square whole bar, or P is equal to n m v square RMS, v square RMS. So here this is the pressure only x direction, x direction. So the particles are moving maybe y direction with velocity vx or z direction with velocity vz, but all velocities will be equal, elastic. So due to the velocity of molecules is equal, is a symmetry. So that is vx square is equal to vy square is equal to vz square. But what is the total volume? V square is equal to vx square plus vy square plus vz square. Okay, component form. So that is v square is equal to, I am taking 3 into vx square, and the vx square is equal to 1 by 3 v square. So this is all particle, we can consider the all particles in x direction, y direction, z direction. So therefore in this case finally we can get P is equal to 1 by 3 m n v bar square. So this is the pressure is acting in the ideal gas equation. Okay, this is the final equation. So what is the final equation? P is equal to 1 by 3 m n V bar square. M is equal to mass of the gas. M is equal to mass of the gas, means mass of the molecules, and n is equal to number of molecules per unit volume, and V bar square is equal to average. Okay, average of V square, that is the RMS velocity. And the relation between, I will write another one, the relation between pressure and kinetic energy. Right, the relation between pressure and kinetic energy. So where small n is equal to, P is equal to 1 by 3 m n V bar square. Okay, so I will write in terms of the density 1 by 3 rho V square RMS. What is the rho? So rho is equal to m into n. Okay, n is equal to n by V, actually n by V. Okay, rho is equal to m1 by V or m by V. So P is equal to 1 by 3 rho V square RMS. So what is the energy general formula? E is equal to 1 by 2 m by V into V square RMS. And so E is equal to 1 by 2 rho V square RMS. So from equation, this is the equation number 1. Let us take equation number 1 and the equation number 2. So you can calculate P is equal to 2 by 3E. From equation 193, P is equal to 2 by 3E. So this is the equation, the relation between pressure and kinetic energy. So this is a kinetic energy, only translational kinetic energy. Only translational means only one direction. Translational kinetic energy per unit volume. Per unit volume. Next, kinetic interpretation of the temperature. So what is the relation between energy and temperature? Is it any relation or not? So we know that what is the pressure is exerted 1 by 3, P is equal to 1 by 3 m n V bar square. This is a formula. And small n is equal to capital N by V. Capital N by V. So there small n is equal to number of molecules. Number of molecules in the sample, in the gas sample. So substitute in the above equation, P is equal to 1 by 3 small n capital N by V and V square. And V square, or VRMS you can write also 1 by 3 m n V square RMS. Don't confuse, V square RMS. So here this V is going to here. So PV is equal to 1 by 3 m n V bar square. Okay, so just PV is equal to, just 2 is the multiplied 2 by 3. I am taking capital N into, this is a 2 is the numerator, here I am taking the denominator, mv bar square. Okay, so let us take, so PV is equal to 2 by 3 capital N 1 by 2 mv bar square. I am taking, this is the equation number 1. And here another one, another equation, their internal energy capital E. Internal energy capital E of an ideal gas. Ideal gas, purely kinetic. Purely kinetic, only kinetic, translation kinetic energy. So E is equal to N into 1 by 2 mv square RMS. I am taking the number of total molecules capital N. So this is the equation number 2. Okay, so here equation 1 and 2 you can calculate 2 by 3 and 1 by 2 mv square. So this is complete about capital E. So PV is equal to 2 by 3E. In the previous equation, E is equal to 3 by 2 PV. So this is a relation between energy and pressure. Energy and pressure. But we know that PV is equal to, in the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to NKBT. NKBT. Substitute in the above equation, what is the capital E? Capital E is equal to 3 by 2 NKBT. Okay, so 3 constant, 2 constant, n constant, kb constant. So similarly E is proportional to T. What is the equation? E is proportional to T. So what is meaning of E is proportional to T, where E is equal to average kinetic energy of a molecule is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So what is your observation? E is directly proportional to T. That is, E is equal to average kinetic energy of the molecule is absolute temperature, is directly proportional as absolute temperature. So it is independent of pressure, volume and nature of ideal gas. Independent of pressure, volume and nature of ideal gas. So this equation is explained, is called kinetic interpretation of the temperature. Kinetic interpretation of the temperature. So this is the ideal gas pressure equation and kinetic interpretation of the temperature. So thank you one and all.